Today we will start the topic division of integers. How to solve the question with division and the signs. So first of all we have to write the question again with the equality sign. Minus 42 divided by minus 7 equals. Now firstly we need to solve the signs. Because we have two signs, so we need the one sign, single sign. So we have to solve minus minus. What is the answer? Plus. So we need to write single sign. C, minus minus plus. Now you can divide it. 42 divided by 7. So what is the answer? 42 divided by 7, 7 6 times 42. Draw the ending line. I am solving this question same as it is, but see the difference. Write your question again. Minus 7. Same question. Write your question again and now solve the sign. Minus minus plus. Minus minus plus. And you can write in the fractional form. You can write in the fractional form also. 42 divided by 7, 6. Draw the ending line. So there is no hard and fast rule. You can solve like this horizontal way, and you can write and you can solve like this. Write in the fractional form. 42 divided by 7 equal to 6. We can write division as a fractional value. We can write fractional value as a division value. So you can solve in both methods. Now I am solving the next question. Next question is minus 155 divided by plus 31. So we have to solve this. First of all, write your question again with the equality sign. With the equality sign. Now solve the sign first, because we need single sign with the answer. Minus plus, see, minus plus minus. Answer is minus. Now you can solve this. 155 divided by 31. So the answer will be 135 with 31, 5 1 time 5, 5 3 prime 15. It's being 31 divided by 5. 155 divided by 31, answer is 5. Draw the ending line. You can solve this minus, you can solve odd. 155 divided by 31 and answer is minus 5. You can solve like this, you can solve like this. Draw the ending line. Now I am taking another question. And the other question is, let's see, we have a question is plus 372 divided by plus 124. So first step, plus plus plus. Solve the sign first. Then write your numbers in the bracket, because both are relative. We need single sign with the answer. We need single sign with the answer. That's why we need to solve the sign first. We have to divide this. 124 3 times 3, 4 times 12, 2 on the carry 1 on this, 3 2 times 6 and 7, 3 1 and 3. It's mean 124 3 times is 372. Draw the ending. So these are the steps for solving the question. But if we have a question is find the quotient. Find the quotient. Quotient means the answer of division. Quotient means the answer of division. So how to solve? First of all, write your question. 255 divided by minus 18. First of all, we need to solve the sign. Minus plus, plus minus, minus. Write your question again and solve the sign first. Minus plus minus. You can solve like this. 255 divided by 18, and you can write it 255 divided by 18. But when we have a question is find the quotient, so it's better to write in the fractional form. 255 divided by 18. Put the minus sign and equality sign in front of the fractional line. So you need to check with the times table of 18. So what is the answer? 255. Let's see, we have a 255 multiply by, let's check with 7. 255 divided by, let's check with answer will be, sorry, it's a 255, it's answer in the form of decimal. So 14.1. So the answer is 14.1. But I am changing this question as the whole value. If I will write 252 and then I have to divide it, 252 divided by 18, then we will get the natural number or as a whole number, and the answer will be minus 14. Draw the ending line. See, when we have a question, find the quotient. When the question is find the quotient, solve the sign first, plus, minus, minus, then write your question in a fractional form. 252 divided by 18 and the answer is 40, because when we have to divide it, 252 with 18, 18, 1 time 18 minus, borrow from this, 15 minus 8, 7, and write down the value of 15 minus 8 is 7, write down 2, then 18, 4 times 72. So this is called quotient. This is called quotient. That's why minus 14 is the answer. Now I am solving next question. And next question is minus 2000 divided by minus 40. When the question is find the quotient, first of all write your question again. Solve the sign first. Minus, 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 plus. We need single sign with the answer. And write your values in the fractional form. Write your sign and equality sign in front of your fractional line. Now we need to solve it. 2000 divided by 40. You can solve cross 0 cross from 0. You can cross 0 cross from 0. Then 4, 5 times 20 and 0. You can do it like this. But if you want to check your answer, you have to divide it with 40. 40, let's check with 40 2 times. Let's check with 45 times. 45 times 200. Write down 0. 40 0 times 0. So what is the answer? 50 plus 50. Draw the ending line. So these are the steps for solving the question. Thank you.